Commercial roof repair near you. How to save money. If you live in Phoenix and are worried about the cost of roof maintenance, there is good news. There are many low-cost solutions available for all types of roofs. The key to finding low-cost services is education. It's not enough to know what a roof warranty is, you must be educated about the different options. Here are some of the benefits of choosing a low-cost roof service. Roof repair near me. Metal roofing can push the price up. Metal roofing can either increase the price of your roof or completely prevent roofing repairs. So be careful about choosing a company that says they offer a free roof inspection. They may not actually offer this as part of their commercial roof maintenance program. Also watch out for companies that want to give you an estimate in writing before seeing the work. They may promise the best price but end the estimate with a clause that allows them to charge you later. You can save money on labor by getting roofing materials delivered to your house. Many of the commercial materials used in roofing repairs can be delivered for free by your roofing contractor. Ask questions about the warranties on the roofing materials and warranties on labor. Sometimes it's best to choose a roofing contractor that offers a lifetime warranty on all roof materials. If you need a low-slope roof repair near you, there are many companies that specialize in this type of roof repair. Most DIY roof projects are expensive because of all the special equipment necessary to make sure the roof stays on top of the building. Ask your roofing contractor if they have a team that specializes in low-slope roof repairs. You could save a great deal of money that way. This is another good reason to use a roofing contractor. Another important part of any commercial roofing maintenance program is regular inspections. One inspection per year is usually enough to catch most minor roof problems, but it's also helpful to check now and then as well. It's always a good idea to check the weather in your area. Roofs can get damaged from heavy winds and snowstorms. If your roof isn't inspected for problems soon, it could become more susceptible to leaks and other issues. If your roof is inspected often enough, you'll catch problems before they become too severe to fix.